Hey everybody, Travis with Blue Nail Roofing here, doing another roof replacement, and today I get to share with you an incredible product that I am confident is the future of our entire industry, and that is the FWave shingle. This is a Texas-based company that's in Burleson, just outside of Fort Worth, and they're making some incredible stuff. We had the privilege of meeting with the executives from the company. They came and visited us and shared with us the product, and it's just unreal, and I'm excited to see it finally go on a house. So I'm going to show you a little bit of the product. This is the FWave REVIA Designer Slate shingle, and if you look at the back, it has kind of this honeycomb pattern to it that adds strength without adding a lot of weight, and the front of it looks like a regular shingle. Now this is actually made out of a type of polymer that, if I were to try and explain it, the engineering behind it, I just really wouldn't be doing it justice, but take my word when I say it is absolutely incredible. It exceeds all class 4 specifications. It's basically hail-proof. The wind rating is insane. We saw some videos and in-person demonstrations that just blew all of our minds. This thing's really incredible. Even if it gets cut or a gash in it from like someone dropping a tool when they're installing it, once the sun heats it up, it heals itself. There's not a product that does that. This thing's incredible. Here, let me show you what the field looks like. This is beautiful. It's easy to walk on. I don't have cougar paws or anything special on right now. This is absolutely beautiful. The depth and the color to this thing is just like more than I see with any asphalt shingle. This thing is awesome, and the guys love it because it's easy to work with. They can crank their guns up as hard as they want. They're not gonna overdrive the nails. I mean, there is absolutely no downside to this thing, and I can't think of another product that I can actually say that about. In fact, as soon as we had the presentation from the company about this, I was going to visit my parents right after that, and the first thing I said when I saw my mom is, next hailstorm, I know exactly what you're getting on your roof. It's not even up for discussion. This is what you're getting. It's that good. Anyway, I am excited to see a homeowner finally get this, because we've been, it's a little pricier, but it is worth it. It is the last roof you're ever gonna buy, ever. I mean, this thing, legally the company can't say it's indestructible, but between you and me, it's pretty much indestructible. And it looks incredible too. So I highly recommend anyone who's even remotely interested in someday replacing their roof, check out FWave, check out their website, do a deep dive, because I could talk to you about this thing for hours, and it's really that good. So if you'd like to talk about what the options are for getting it on your home, visit bluenail.com. We're happy to come give you an inspection of your home, or just put a new roof on today if you're ready to go. So bluenail.com, and I'll see you in the next video.